Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, March 11th, 2024 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades, as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like access to our daily watch list, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. On Friday, March 8th, 2024, Tesla stock commenced trading at $181.50 and concluded the day at $175.34, marking a 1.85% decrease in its value throughout the day. The stock exhibited fluctuations within a range of $178.65 to $175.34, with a trading activity totaling 85.1 million shares, equivalent to approximately $14.8 billion. The trading range for the stock on the last trading day varied between $174.70 as the lowest point and $182.73 as the highest point. It's noteworthy that the stock's 52-week high and low are $299.29 and $152.37, respectively. In comparison to the previous trading day, there were 17 million fewer shares traded, indicating a decrease in trading activity alongside the declining stock price. Assessing its risk level, this stock is classified as very steady, carrying a low chance of distress. Despite these details, the Tesla stock continues to manifest an unfavorable outlook, evident from the negative sell signals generated by both the short-term and long-term moving averages. The positioning of the long-term average above the short-term average reinforces a pessimistic forecast for the stock. It's crucial to understand that when the stock price exceeds the long-term average, a buy signal is triggered, suggesting a favorable outlook. Conversely, a stock price falling below the short-term average generates a sell signal, indicating a less favorable forecast. Currently, the stock is considered extremely overbought, and the intermediate trend remains bearish. Furthermore, there was an extreme bearish one-day money flow on the stock, coupled with an extreme three-day accumulation on TSLA. Such conditions, when a stock is overbought, are typically interpreted as bearish indicators. The breakout watch is set above the $902 level on the Tesla stock, while a falling three methods pattern on the 30-minute time frame, known for its high reliability, indicates a bearish continuation. Given the prevailing short-term trend, it is anticipated that the stock price will experience a decrease in the near future. As of the latest trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart exhibits a red hue, signifying the prevalence of bearish sentiment where the sellers, commonly referred to as bears, asserted dominance over the trading session. This bearish tone was underscored by a predominant downtrend, as evidenced by a trading volume of 85.1 million, a noteworthy 27% decrease compared to Tesla's usual average volume of 108 million. Presently, the stock is situated within the lower echelon of its yearly price range. Despite this, Tesla maintains a position above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages, serving as a positive indicator for the stock's overall trend. Turning our attention to the daily technical aspects, a comprehensive analysis reveals several noteworthy observations. The average true range indicator points to heightened volatility, while the Williams percent range indicator signals an oversold condition. Concurrently, the relative strength index, stochastic MACD, rate of change, ultimate oscillator, commodity channel index, and average directional index all display negative values. As it stands, a confluence of technical indicators is aligning toward a negative signal, suggesting a potential sell for the stock. Nevertheless, it is crucial to acknowledge that relying solely on these technical metrics may not yield conclusive results. Transitioning to the analysis and prediction of Tesla's price movement for the upcoming trading day, which is set for Monday, March 11th, 2024, it is imperative to note that if the stock price falls below $177.59, there is an increased likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, If the stock price surpasses $177.59, the probability of an upward movement becomes more prominent. Based on the closing price observed on the last trading day, the prevailing pivot point for this particular stock stands at the $177.59 mark. Furthermore, notable support levels are identified at $174.52, $172.63, and $169.56, while resistance levels are positioned at $181.06, $182.63, and $185.62. Now let's delineate a couple of potential Tesla stock trading strategies for the upcoming trading day: 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore alternative trades that align with the insights provided in this video, taking into consideration your bullish or bearish stance on this stock. It's crucial to bear in mind that when a support level is breached, it often transitions into a resistance level. Conversely, when a resistance level is surmounted, it commonly assumes a role as a support level. Consider initiating a bullish trade by establishing a long position if, within the initial 30 minutes of trading, the stock consistently maintains the $174.52 level as a support. Endeavor to enter the trade as closely aligned with the support level as possible, bearing in mind that this trade is intended to be of a short-term nature. For those inclined towards bullish trading with Tesla, the aim is evidently to capitalize on intraday profits. Consequently, my suggestion for maximizing gains in the initial bullish trade is to commence profit-taking in the proximity of the $181.06 resistance level. The second bullish trade strategy revolves around monitoring whether the $181.06 resistance level is breached at least 30 minutes post-market opening, and then effectively transforms into a support level for a substantial period. This situation implies a short-term bullish perspective, prompting consideration for a long position as close as possible to the newfound $181.06 support level. To optimize gains in this second bullish trade, contemplate initiating profit-taking around the subsequent resistance level of $182.63. A prudent approach involves gradually closing your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, favoring incremental closures in 25% segments. Shifting focus to the bearish trade, if the stock persistently upholds the $181.06 level as a resistance after a minimum of 30 minutes following market opening, it may warrant contemplating the initiation or augmentation of a short trade position near that resistance level, acknowledging the short-term nature of this trade. For traders adopting a bearish stance with Tesla, with an intent to secure intraday profits, my recommendation for profit-taking in the initial bearish trade is to initiate the process around the $174.52 support level. In the second bearish trade, observe whether the $174.52 support level is breached at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then converts into a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario indicates a short-term bearish outlook, prompting consideration for a short trade position as close as possible to the emerging $174.52 resistance level. To optimize gains in this second bearish trade, contemplate initiating profit-taking around the subsequent support level of $172.63. It is advisable to gradually close your position in small percentage increments as the stock evolves. It is also judicious to close positions gradually in incremental percentages as the stock unfolds, rather than opting for a complete closure all at once. As reiterated earlier, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended, fostering a measured and disciplined approach. As the market landscape continues to evolve, stay vigilant, adapt your trading strategy with agility, and leverage the rich array of insights provided in this comprehensive analysis. May your trades be astute and your financial endeavors thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!